in this lecture, we have specified multiple types for Fetch API. In this lecture, we'll be working on normalized functionality. So what we want to do is to get our return data, what we are getting from a Fetch API, which is in this raw format of the edges and the nodes. And we would like to transform them into the products we'll be working with in our application. Okay, so in our get all products, I will remove this line, and what I will do, I will simply map over the edges on the products, and I will return from them nodes. Okay, so what we can do here, we can access the data. Don't forget, on the data we have products, so data dot products, and on the product we have a product connection, and you will take a look here on product connection. On product connection we have edges, and the edges will be array of the product edges. Okay, so I can write here products dot edges dot map, and I can map over the edges. And don't forget, on the map you have also on the edges you have also node. So I can get here, oops, a mistake. Let's write here now. Let's write here callback function. So empty row function. What you will get here basically is edge like this, and on the edge you are having node, right? So on an edge you have a node. So you can extract it here, or you can simply destructurize it straight away in the parameters of this callback function. So I can write here now, I can destructurize edge, and I can access here straight away node. Okay, and this will get me node. You can see I can straight away see it's a product, because when you will take a look on your product connection, so if you want to get straight into the product connection, just click Command or a Control, hover over, click at this will get you to the file, and you see I'm iterating to the edges, the product edges. Let's click here. On the product edges, I am getting nodes. Okay, so in a single iteration, I'm getting a node, and on a node, I have a product. So that's why we can get to the product type very easily. And on the product, I have all of these types defined, what we are getting back from the server. Okay, so yeah, we are getting here node, which is basically now product, and simply I can just return this product. I can write here return and return product. Return product. Oh, actually node. What I'm saying product. Let's get here node. This will get me products. If I want, I can create also alias for a node, so I know what I'm getting here, so I can just simply alias it. So I can write here column, and I can write here, I don't want to call it node, I want to call it rather product, and my product is alias for a node, so I can just simply return here product. Okay, now it's more clear maybe what's happening. And the results of this is returning array of the product, so I can get here const products, I can assign it here, and I can return it from this return here products. Okay, I can I just want to be ensured that the data products are not returning any undefined or a null. If I want to make sure, I'll write here double question operator, and I can return here empty array. So in a case, this structure here is returning a null or undefined. Let's go with the empty array of the products, and yeah, let's return it. Now we can save it, guys. Let's go back to browsers, and you should see the different format after you will refresh. So you can see straight away I'm getting here array of the products. You can see it's wrapped into array, so it should start with a square bracket, curly brackets, and here I have the first product, the ID, and so on and so on. So that's basically it. Okay, guys, so let's continue. I can say that this will be actually sufficient already, but I want to improve it even more, because still images, they have a nodes defined, the images are not normalized, and also other fields on the product, they are not normalized yet. So I will create a dedicated function, and I will be basically normalizing our product to some different form. Okay, so I'll be just passing different properties around, and you will see actually more in the next lecture. So I hope to see you there. Cheers.